Sometimes what is happening is like my second eigenvector is coming column wise 1 1 0, but in the
Okay.
answer it's -1 -1 0. And ma'am,
It can't be like that. There is
ma'am,
a possibility that suppose I have written 1 -1 0 and you got -1 1 0.
yes
That is
ma'am, yes ma'am,
acceptable. But
yes
it's
ma'am,
not possible that the place that you are selecting as 0,
yes ma'am.
you had one
No, no, ma'am. Exactly what you're saying. That is happening. The minus sign is getting changed.
minus sign is fine because suppose I have selected x as k
Yes, ma'am.
and the output is x plus y equals to 0,
Yes,
then
ma'am.
y will be minus k for me. Suppose you selected y is equal to k, then
Then
x will
X
be
will be minus.
minus k.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if there is a sign difference, that is acceptable. But it is not possible that you are getting 110 at one place and 101 at the other
No, no, no,
place.
no, ma'am. Sorry, I misspoke. That is the problem which I'm getting for the minus sign.
That is not a problem. That's
Ma'am,
fine. I hope
but
you have understood what I am.
yes, ma'am, absolutely. But ma'am, the
Okay.
second thing is after this, like in the P matrix I've made,
Hmm.
according to this minus problem, when I take my P matrix and solve for the diagonal, ma'am, sometimes the value is not coming. But when I solve it from your answer, the P diagonal, the answer comes.
I request you to recheck your calculation. See, the simple system of getting the answer is
Yes,
whatever your lambda value you have.
yes, ma'am.
Suppose you got lambda as 1, 2, and 3. Then you
Yes,
will write the eigenvector for lambda equals to 1 as first column,
yes,
2
ma'am.
as second column, and 3
Yes,
as
ma'am.
third column. And
Yes, ma'am.
accordingly, in the diagonal matrix, you will get 1, 2, 3 in the diagonal. Suppose
Okay.
I have written 3, 1, 2.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
I will write the 3 as my first column, 1 for my second column, and 2 as my third column, and then I will get the D accordingly. So in which sequence you are getting your lambda, in that sequence only you will write your eigenvectors.
Okay, ma'am.
That
Ma'am,
sequence is
I'm
important.
I'm
I am
getting the
having a
values
doubt in
of
the
lambda.
question.
Ma'am, I'm getting
Same
the
here.
values of
One person at a
lambda.
time. One person at a time. If you all start speaking in one go, then I won't be able to understand anything.
Excuse me,
Ah,
ma'am. Ma'am,
yes.
the value of lambda as same in all, as your answer, but the
Uh,
eigenvalues are different. Not the sign, but actual values are different.
Eigenvalues are different.
Eigenvectors values.
Eigenvectors are different.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me which one?
I'm just 2 minutes. I have to search. Just 2 minutes.
And there are two
Yes.
equations and I am
Ma'am,
unable to get the eigenvector. Can you please help me?
There are,
Two equations.
just a minute, let me write it down in my teaching pad. And
excuse me,
then,
ma'am.
yes, beta.
मैम जो पार्थ ने डाउट पूछा है ना वो असाइनमेंट 3 के क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में मेरा भी डाउट है कि वैल्यूज अलग आ रही है आइगन वेक्टर की
मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा बेटा. Let me see what you are saying.
ओके मैम
Give me time. Let me open it first. Mm, Assignment 3.
यस मैम 7th क्वेश्चन
देखने दो बच्चे, एक सेकेंड.
x1 एंड x2 मेरा करेक्ट आ रहा है x3 में वैल्यूज अलग आ रही है आइगन वेक्टर की
Question number 7.
7
Okay.
यस मैम
Just.
मैम क्वेश्चन फिफ्थ में भी सेम है.
मैम
Different
सेवेंथ वाले में
eigenvalues
तो मेरी सही
value
आ गई.
sign.
मेरी सेवेंथ वाले में सही आ गई तीनों.
I'm question fifth, third equation, the third equation, third eigenvector.
किसकी किसकी वैल्यू सही आई है? Who
मैम
is the
मेरी भी
मैम
सही आई है
युवराज,
7
मेरी
की
सेवेंथ में मेरी तीनों सही आई.
रमा.
Yuvraj? Will you share your screen? You
मैम
must have
एक्चुअली इट्स नो
made
मैम.
PDF of it.
No, ma'am, not till now. I was just completing it. I haven't made any PDF.
Just okay, no problem. You just take the screenshot of that
Yes,
and
ma'am. I'll.
share it.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we can see what is the issue, what others are facing.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm making you presenter. Just take a photo of
Ma'am,
it.
you said the value of
I'm sending in
eigenvectors can
general.
be different.
Mhm. Or you can send it in chat box if possible.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing that.
Ma'am, you said the values of eigenvectors can be different. So only
It
for the
depends
sign,
on
or
it will be changed. The change will be in your sign. The change will be in your arbitrary uh, variable that you are choosing. It depends on that.
ma'am, like one of the answers is 110 and I am getting 011.
What answer you are getting?
Ma'am, like one of the answers is 0 minus 1 1 and I am
Hmm.
getting -1 0 and 1.
That means somebody has chosen x as 0 and you have chosen y as 0.
So ma'am, that is correct.
The output will not change. Which output I am saying? The D value. Have you understood what I mean? The diagonal matrix that you will get will be the same for everybody. It doesn't matter what eigenvector you have selected.
Yes, ma'am. The value of a minus lambda I is same, but
No,
is
no, no, no.
correct
I'm
because
not
the
saying
lambdas
A
are correct.
minus. That I'm not saying. I'm saying whatever eigenvector you are selecting, your diagonal matrix that you will get after doing P inverse AP, the diagonal matrix will be same for everybody. It doesn't matter who is doing what. Have you understood? You may have different eigenvectors, doesn't matter. But the diagonal matrix that you will deduce with that eigenvector will be same. That is the point I am telling you.
एंड मैम एक डाउट था आपने बताया था ऑर्थोगोनल होते हैं वेक्टर्स आइगन वेक्टर्स
कब
उसमें थोड़ा
कब
डाउट.
होते हैं? कब? जब
यस
सिमेट्रिक
मैम.
मैट्रिक्स हो.
ओके मैम.
क्वेश्चन 7 में ही है मैम ये वाला कि मेरा जैसे x1 और x2 आ गया, x3 मतलब जो दो वो है
चलो,
लैम्डा की वैल्यू -3 और
what we will
-6 है.
do, let's try and solve it. By the time Yuvraj paste it, let's try and solve it. I'm opening
Okay,
this.
Ma'am, I
Uh,
have posted it in the general.
you
Both the
have posted?
screenshots.
Okay,
Yes.
let us see. Let us see what is there. So I'm sharing my screen. Where is the general screen? Yeah. Let's see what he has posted. I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's see. This is the first part of it. No, this is the second part of it.
Second part, ma'am. Second part.
I hope you all have got this.
Yes, ma'am.
So eigenvalues are fine. Now when you put for lambda is equal to -3, he has simplified it. You can simplify it using using elementary row transformation. Can you give me the reason why? We have discussed it. We can simplify it because it is homogeneous.
Yes, ma'am.
So it doesn't affect the right hand side of the equation. Okay. So after simplification, are you getting this or you're not getting this?
मैम ये आ गया.
Ma'am, आ गया.
Acha, now I want to tell you, explain you something. Here what is happening? You are getting just one equation. Yuvraj, I have to suggest you something. When you are writing this way, you have to rearrange it. You cannot have zero matrix above non-zero, zero row above non-zero rows.
Sorry, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Make it very clear, okay? Whenever you writing
Yes, ma'am.
zero
Sorry.
rows, it should always come at the bottom of it. Okay?
Okay.
So keep that thing
Okay,
in
ma'am.
mind.
Sure.
Now here what can happen? See, you have one equation and you have three different variables. Now we can choose any of the variable as per you. There are three and rank is 1. So two arbitrary variables are to be chosen. Somebody can choose x and y, somebody can choose y and z, somebody can choose x and z. So what you choose, your answer will depend on that. So you will get different answers. Like if you are choosing x and y, like here he has chosen y as 0 and z as k. So he has chosen y and z and he is getting two distinct answers, right? If he has chosen x and y, suppose I choose y as 0 and x as k or x as 3k, then obviously the answer will be different. Are you getting?
मैम देन वो ऑर्थोगोनल कब अप्लाई होगा?
मैम it depends on
Symmetric में. Do you have symmetric matrix here? Is your matrix symmetric?
I'm starting with the 3x3 था.
That what is the definition of symmetric?
Sorry ma'am.
Now I need to know. What is the definition of symmetric?
Aij is equal to Aji.
What does it mean? That
It
means
is mirrored across the diagonal.
if you take the diagonal and you try and move in any of the two directions, you should get same output at same distance. Or in other words, A is equal to A transpose. Right? So when I told you orthogonal part, it was very specific to symmetric matrix. Is this okay or not?
Okay ma'am.
Why are you getting different answers? Understood or not?
Yes ma'am.
I'm getting the different answers also dependent upon the transformations that we did.
No,
The root transformation.
no, not from on the transformations. It depends on what arbitrary variable you are choosing. What arbitrary variable you are choosing, it depends on that. Let me explain it further. Just a minute. I'm sharing my teaching board. And Yuvraj, you will tell me what was the last equation that you have got, okay?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
When we were solving for lambda is equal to minus 3, for lambda is equal to minus 3, the last equation that he has got, I'm writing, just check if it is right or not. The last equation you have got this, right? X plus 2y plus 3z equals to 0. Is it right or not?
Minus 3z.
Yuvraj, please check it from your notebook.
Ma'am, wait here. The last question.
Where you are choosing arbitrary variable.
The third value, for the third eigenvalue.
For lambda is equal to minus 3.
Yes, ma'am, wait.
After reduction.
Ma'am, it is minus 3.
Okay. Yuvraj, I have written it. I want you to see it once.
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. X plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 0.
Fine. Now I want you to focus. Since the number of variables 3 and you have seen that rank of the matrix that you have got means this matrix. The rank of this matrix is 1. So how many variables you have to choose arbitrarily? Arbitrarily, you will choose 2 variables. Right? When you are choosing 2 variables, you can have any of the 3 combination. Either you choose xy or you choose yz or you choose xz. Okay? Obviously, the person who has chosen xy or yz or xz, depending on that, you will get different answers. Suppose I choose, like I'm finding z as more difficult for me to understand. So let's take z as 0. Okay? So if I take z as 0 and I take y as k, then what will be x? Minus 2k. Right? So one such answer will be, if I take out k, minus 2, 0, 1. Okay? Now suppose, obviously,
And minus 2, 1, 0.
yeah,
Minus 2, 1.
2. Yes, minus 2, 1, 0. By mistake. Correct. Minus 2, 1, 0. This is one answer. Suppose Yuvraj has taken y as 0 and he has taken z as k. Then there is a second set of answer, x2 equals to, what will you get? 3, then y as 0 and
0, 1.
1 with k. Okay, you may write it k1 k2 doesn't matter, or you may take k1 is equal to k2. Okay, now suppose instead of taking x, in this case I have played along with y and z. Suppose somebody is interested in taking x and z. Okay, suppose x and z you are taking care of. Suppose I put z as 0 and x as k. Then what will be the answer? See, I'll get x1 is equal to, z is 0, x is k. What will be your y? Minus half. Okay. When you multiply this entire thing by minus 2, you will get the same answer. Are you getting? Now, if I take x as 0 and z as k, then what will be the answer? Just check. x2 will be, x is 0, z is k. What will be y? Y will be 2 by 3. Okay. Now, if you multiply this whole thing by 3, you will get 320. So it doesn't matter what vector you are getting, you will get different vectors. But when you try and find out this will be same for all. Are you getting my point or not?
Ma'am, after finding eigenvectors, we have to also diagonalize these. P inverse AP is equal to D.
No, if it is in the question, let me see what is there in the question.
I
This
mean, question
is
there is not.
z is equal to k, so it is 3 by
No,
2.
ma'am, not in this assignment.
Then you can write it as it is, no problem. You can write it as it is.
Excuse
It
me, ma'am.
depends on what you are taking. So it changes from person to person. Here, see, when you took x, y and z, the situation is different. When you took x and z, the situation is different. When you take some other value, the situation may differ.
मैम
Yes.
मैम एक बार ये P इनवर्स AP is equals to D वाली कॉन्सेप्ट बता दो.
बेटा ये तो बताया था, आप उसको देखना. आपका
there are two
वीडियो अपलोड
equations
है,
and
आप वीडियो चेक करना बच्चे. ये हम लोगों ने लास्ट लेक्चर
excuse
जो
me,
किया
ma'am.
था. हाँ बोलो.
Then there are two equations and we have to make eigenvector of it. So please, ma'am.
There are
Two equations.
two equations. Can you give me the
Yes, ma'am.
equations?
Yes, ma'am.
Just a minute. Give me the equations.
X1
x1
minus 3x2
hmm,
plus x3 equal to 0.
okay.
And second one, ma'am, minus 11x2
Hmm,
plus 5x3 equal to 0.
okay. Now, what is the rank
And
of this matrix?
rank is 2 and the number of
Correct.
variable is 3.
N is 3. That means how many arbitrary variables you can choose?
Ma'am, 1.
1. That means you can see from here. If you select, suppose we select x3 as k. Then what will be x2?
Ma'am,
Hmm? What will be x2?
cross
5 by 11 k.
by 11.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be x1? x1 is
By
3,
11K.
x2 minus x3. That is 15 by 11 k minus k. So that is 4k by 11. So your eigenvector in this case will be, if I take out k, this is x1 is 4 by 11, x2 is 5 by 11, and x3 is k or 1.
But the answer is 4, 5, 11.
That's it. Try and understand. If you multiply this whole thing, you can take out this 11 outside. That will be 4, 5 and 11. And you write it as k dash.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Ma'am, we can also take x3 is equal to 11. That will be simple.
No, don't be afraid of dealing with fractions. Okay?
इसको मैम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन से भी तो कर सकते हैं.
कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, तब भी यही आएगा. There is no change in the answer even if you use cross multiplication. Here what I did, I used backward substitution. You have
Excuse me,
learned
ma'am.
this. Yes.
मैम प्लीज टेल क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 एंड 5 ऑफ असाइनमेंट 4. किसी का भी नहीं आ रहा ये वाला है.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I was
Assignment
going to say
four.
that 4 and 5.
And
Ma'am,
six also.
Yes,
fourth
ma'am.
and fifth question of assignment 4.
Let me see.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it necessary to reduce the matrix with elementary operation after getting the eigenvalue?
It is up to you.
Okay, ma'am.
If you reduce it, it saves your time. Otherwise, you have to do it using backward substitution.
Ma'am, in question 6 of assignment 3, I'm not getting the exact values. I mean, the eigenvectors that is in the assignment answer set without reducing it. So that's why I was confused a bit.
No, no, no. Don't get confused. Check your calculation. There must be some error in the calculation. Is this visible to you all or not? Assignment 4 I have opened.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So the problem is in assignment 4, right?
Yes, ma'am. Question number
Yes,
4
ma'am.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
5.
Assignment 4, fourth and fifth question.
Fourth and fifth question. Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you know what? In fifth question, the answer is of the fourth question. I solved it, and the answer which is given for fourth question is the answer for fifth question.
So there may be
Yes, ma'am.
some
Same.
mistake.
Same with me
Ah,
as well.
that's okay. There may be mistake in typing.
Ma'am, only one answer is
Yes, ma'am.
one value is different. Ma'am, in place of 4, 5 will come in the first row.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly same thing. Yes,
So
ma'am.
trust your calculation skill. Why you get so
No, ma'am.
nervous
But in the
about?
fourth one, it's wrong. Fourth one is wrong.
मैम यस
Ma'am,
मैम
fourth
आप
one answer is
वेरिफिकेशन के
wrong
बाद वाला
completely.
बता दो. वेरिफिकेशन के बाद वाला बता दो. ये जो फाइन करना है ये वाला बस.
Mm-hmm.
उससे पहले हो गया. आ गया वो वेरीफाई हो गया था.
एक मिनट ये please note करो and you have to tell me this value, okay, and the matrix because I'm opening teaching pad to write. Tell me the matrix.
Ma'am, it's 8, 5, 5 first row. No,
You
ma'am.
are
Sorry. 2, 1, 1.
give me A. 2 1 1.
Yes, ma'am. 2. Yes, ma'am. And 0, 1, 0.
Mm-hmm.
1, 1, 2.
And what was your characteristic polynomial?
Yes, ma'am. A to the power 8.
Characteristic polynomial first.
Oh, okay. Ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, A cube.
Ma'am, A cube.
A
A
cube
cube
minus 5a
minus 5a
square
square plus
plus
7a
7a minus 3i.
minus 3. Yes, ma'am.
And the expression that you have, A to the power 8
Minus 5a 7.
Minus 5.
minus 5
A to the power 7 plus 7a to the power 6 minus 3a to the power 5 minus 5a to the power cube plus 8a square minus 2a plus I.
This you have to calculate. Please recheck it once what I have written so that there is no problem in the after solving. Correct it? Check.
Yes, ma'am, sir. Correct.
Okay. Now let's try and do it. We want A cube, right? You have A8. So I'll take out A to the power 5. Okay. So I have A cube. Now minus 5a square, no problem. 7a, no problem. minus 3i, no problem. Is this fine or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Then,
Yes, ma'am.
then I have 5a cube. So I'll take out minus 5. See, I have a cube. Then I'm interested in 5a square. That means 3a square is extra. Okay, so I'll write that 3a square here, and I'll write minus 5a square. Then I have minus 2a. Just a minute, there is some mistake. Hold on. There is no a4 in it. Are you sure?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. No A4.
Okay.
Ma'am, if there is A4, the answer is correct.
That means a4 is missing from here.
Yes,
There
ma'am.
is some calculation
Yes,
there.
ma'am. I
Let me
guess, ma'am.
see.
Yes.
Let me see the question, because otherwise it will be difficult for us to solve. You will get a cube and then you have to write a cube
Ma'am,
also.
I solved it, but the answer is completely different.
Just a minute, let me check. Let me check the matrix. This is a to the power 8, 5a 7, 7a 6, 3a to the power 5. Beta, one a4 is missing from here. Please note it down.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note, this has plus a to the power 4. Minus 5a cube plus 8a square minus 2a plus I. Rest all is correct. Only a4 is missing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now it will come.
Now it will come. Now you can take out a as common. And I took this question in the class. We did
Yes, ma'am.
this
A square
question.
plus A plus I. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we did this question. And the output was very simple. It was a square plus a plus I.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now any other problem in the assignment?
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में मैम आइगन वेक्टर्स नहीं बन पाते.
Question number
6
Ma'am.
of same assignment.
assignment 4.
मैम 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes मैम.
मैम मेरे बन गए. मैं भेजूं?
एक मिनट रुको. क्यों नहीं बन पा रहे भाई? What is the problem in this?
मैम फर्स्ट वाला बन गया पर मैम सेकंड में रूट वाला आ रहा है तो हो नहीं पाता सॉल्व.
अच्छा, तो रूट नहीं सॉल्व कर पाओगे. You haven't studied surds. You mean to say that? You try it out. There is nothing in
नो
it.
मैम.
You haven't studied surds. You haven't
Yeah मैम.
studied. पढ़ा है ना?
यस मैम.
ये फिर से ट्राई करो. You can solve it. And insert a to the power 4 in this. These two questions are same questions. I don't know how come it is getting repeated. Question number 4 and question number 5 are same questions. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can cancel this. You just don't do this. This is fine. Okay. Any other problem? No problem at all, right? The questions of assignment 4 come for 8 to 10 marks mostly, if P inverse is involved. Okay, so solve this carefully and completely. Is it okay?
Ma'am, there is a test on Monday.
I think I have posted it, but I want to
Is
give
it
you
on
Sorry.
or objective?
objective MCQ.
Subjective or objective?
Objective.
Ma'am, on Wednesday. Sorry.
It is there.
Monday.
You have to check it better. I don't remember. But today I am
मैम
giving
मंडे.
you. Today I am giving you one 10 minutes test. All right. I'm just assigning so that you become familiar with MS Teams quiz, and then you will solve it immediately for 10 minutes. Do it. You can do it even faster. Just for testing purpose, I am giving you. Just try it out. All right. I have assigned. I hope it is visible to you. Just check if the quiz is visible
No,
to
ma'am,
you.
it's not visible.
Please refresh.
Mom, where do we have to check for the quiz?
You have to check it in your. Acha, I'm sharing a screen. Let's see if it is there or not. See, check your class notes. I think it is there in class notes. When you go to like Aditya, I'm checking for Aditya quizzes. No, it is not here. Must be in assignment. Check your assignment.
नो मैम उसमें भी नहीं है.
Assignment में होगा बेटा.
No,
See?
ma'am, it's not there.
No, ma'am, not in
No, ma'am,
assignment.
it's not there.
No, ma'am, it's not
No,
here.
ma'am.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It is showing. Refresh it
There's no
once.
assignments in the class yet. Take back
No,
We
ma'am.
are distributing your assignment to students now. Please check back soon. Just check, refresh. Student view, it should come like this.
नो मैम स्टिल नॉट विजिबल.
No, ma'am.
Why is it not visible? Why?
Ma'am, it says no assignment in this class yet.
But it is showing.
Ma'am, it is showing now.
Ma'am, it is
Now
showing.
that's what I'm saying. Refresh it. Now it will show. It takes some time because it goes for each student individually. Now do it fast.
अभी assignment चल रहा है.
What all you will do, it will be visible to me. Like Aditya has seen.